The AirPods Pro 3 feature a skin detect sensor that uses optical technology to automatically pause audio when removed from your ears and resume when inserted. This infrared sensor detects skin contact for seamless ear detection. If your AirPods aren't pausing or playing automatically, it could be a sensor malfunction. As of September 2025, most issues have been fixed through software updates. First, ensure your iPhone or iPad runs iOS 18.2 or later. Then update your AirPods Pro 3 firmware to version 7A5068B from February 2025. These updates optimize sensor calibration and reduce false positives. According to Apple support, these updates have resolved 70% of reported sensor issues. If problems persist, it might be a hardware defect affecting about 5 to 10% of units. To troubleshoot AirPods Pro 3 skin detect sensor issues, start by cleaning the sensor area on the earbud stem with a soft, dry cloth. Dirt, earwax, or moisture can block the infrared light used by the sensor. Next, reset your AirPods by placing them in the charging case and pressing the setup button on the back. This recalibrates the sensors and can resolve many issues. If cleaning and resetting don't work, ensure you're on the latest iOS and AirPods firmware. Persistent problems may indicate a hardware defect. Apple provides free repairs for verified sensor defects under warranty. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center. Looking ahead, trends in wireless earbuds show increasing emphasis on biometric sensors for seamless user interaction. Future iOS updates may include adaptive sensor algorithms that learn user habits, reducing false triggers from sweat or accidental touches. Hybrid sensors combining optical technology with capacitive touch could improve accuracy, especially in wet environments like workouts. By 2027, advancements in manufacturing and AI diagnostics are expected to reduce sensor failures to under 2%, making these features more reliable.